Look at that. May isang case ako nakuha. Siguro yan 1.5. Pag 1.5 nasa, kasi minsan ang isang case nagiging 6 jars. Pag swerte 8. Yan. So meron na akong pag 1.5 yan. 8 or 10 na to na jar na lutong sauce. I still have one. I didn't see that. Ang haba, ang lalaki. Look at that. Madami pa ako. Yan, madami pa. Lalaki nito. Yan, look at this. Oh, laki. There were lots of big sizes. Sana mahinog pa. Sana mainit-init pa next week. Kaso magda-down to 9 na daw. 9, 5, something like that. Sa Friday. Pero okay lang. Dami pa. Dami-dami pa. And that's my beautiful sunflower. Madami pa ako dun sa side ng garage. Ito lang to.